What's going on YouTube? This is Eddie at the Group B doing a feature video on our latest arrival. This is a 2009 R35 Nissan GTR. This is a one owner vehicle, paint code KAC, which is titanium. It's got 31,000 miles. Slightly modified. It has full bolt-ons, ADV1 wheels. It's got an exhaust. Very clean car. It's a Florida car, bought new in 2008, and has been in Florida ever since. Doing a quick walk around to show the condition of the car. It is all original paint, VIN code and VIN stickers on every panel. Paint's in pretty good condition. Does have a couple nicks on the front bumper, which I'll show you in a minute. Again, this is one of 80 in this color combination for the year 2009. Obviously, it comes with a clean Florida title, clean Carfax. Does have a carbon front lip. The front lip has some scratches on the bottom. As you can see right there. And there's a nick on the bumper right there. Other than that, car's pretty clean. There's a couple scratches here. Again, this is all on the bumper. Interior is basically stock, other than a upgraded stereo with more modern amenities like GPS, well, more modern GPS, Google Maps, Apple CarPlay, etc., etc. Seats are pretty clean. There's some bolster wear right here. Original carpets. Go ahead and I'll turn it on. The dash has some cracks. Apparently it's a pretty common thing for the 2009 model. We did get a quote to get the whole dash done in Alcantara. So that's something that could be done for the next owner. You see there, 31,000 miles. Was recently serviced at Miami Performance Inc. They went ahead and they did the fuel pumps, the full bolt-on mods. And that's how the car is, how it is right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do a driving video, show you how it drives, and we'll go from there. Alright, doing a driving video on the 09 GTR. Definitely can hear the turbos. Gonna go ahead and do a pull in manual mode, the AC on.